Kakenhon kebana Hyderabad kebal ai kerjang Disneyland Mela Private Limited kan long hakasin kebaningkang kebanwan ban penina yang jait dohkha na kylleng ke pyrthei ke badan hadu shilak shiteng hamadan Polo ka banne shibana liter ushamim sheikh ubala penbe ya kene ke penina yang dohkha luang ba kene kalong kasin kebaningkang bakin penlong hanong ba shlong ha ka ba dohkha duriaw babun jait na duk ki badrit ki batang shi in shi hadu ki bahe andre phot labo ba ki pai ba kin yo iya ki dohkha ki bim hala ki dur bat hala ki rong ha kene ke penina yang dohkha bim ubarem du kedor udah platinum alligator guard ubak chongdor pralak tengkau we bat ha kene ke jing inam dan South Australia ke balawan rakyat ki na kawa Amazon South America ki we ki dohkha lawan ra na kawa Nile kari Egypt na Japan bat na ki we ru kiri ulang baya kene ke jing inam ki lek kylleng kari India bat ke jing tumu jong ki jong kene kalong ban aila ya ki pai ba bakin yo ya ki jait dohkha ba pher ki ba em ki ba de na kylleng ka pyrthei bat kemilinti bagi pai ba ke jela Meghalaya tam ki pai ba nong shong shong ka sor shlong kin shem ya kani kabu ban wan pet pat ban sakhi dala ki jong ki khman na kaliang jong ka company ban ai la ki pai ba kalabu ya dor jong ka bai tiket ars pa teng kamarwe ya ki bala south nam shneng la ya tho ba ha Singapore bat ha Dubai ban lit pet ya ka jaka bo nam ya ki dohkha ha ka pisa India ka long hendriu hajar teng kamarwe.
And this type of event is only first time of its kind in Meghalaya. Right now you have any questions, you can ask.
It's not question that you organize this program. You are from which place?
Basically, I am from Chandigarh, and this tunnel belongs to Hyderabad. And he is the organizer, and he contacted us for this event to be organized in the Meghalaya.
What is the main purpose of organizing this?
Over here, the main purpose is to let the Shillongis can enjoy this event.
So it will be a free entry or ticket?
No, the charges will be 200 per person, and the Mela entry will be only 30.
Can you highlight a little bit about these fishes that you
we have more than 150 of varieties of fishes right now with us, and approximately it will be around more than 1 lakh fishes with us right now. And we have the quarantine center, we have the hospital for this, and we have the trained team members with us, and with the doctor.
Can you mention some of the popular species?
We have arowana, we have koi carp, and we have a main ice topper is our arupama fish, which cost 8 lakh rupees, approximately 8 lakh rupees. That is at the last of that tunnel, and we are having 4 with us right now.
When will this carnival start?
By tomorrow.
How many days will
it will last up to 5th of April.
So what is your expectation? Whether it will draw the crowd to come and see, or
expectation is nothing. It will be depend on your support, the moral support from the public and the moral support of the Kylleng people. This is the first kind of a different event we are going to conduct here. Here we are exhibiting from 1-inch fish to 5 feet fish.
To get the Meghalaya peoples look how other India is. We are in this event line, and we are exhibiting in all over India.
Actually, you can watch or you can keep some fishes in your home. But whereas we are showing lot of variety of the fishes here, more than 150 varieties is here, and more than 1 lakh fishes is available here. Some fishes in quarantine. We are maintaining filtration system. We are maintaining keep it clean and hygienic system. And similarly, this kind of fishes you can't see in Meghalaya, not even Assam also. Some fishes from Amazon river, some fishes from Nile river, and some fishes from Korea also we bring. Japan also, this koi carp from Japan. So different kind of fishes is there. And similarly, it is very good for children also. This is on scientific and scientific tour.
In India, and you can also, if you want to see like this, you have to go to Dubai or Singapore. And we are now in your city at the very normal cost. If you go to Dubai, they charge 6,000. ठीक है ना, we are presenting.
This
हाँ,
is that we are-
this needs a special vehicle and a special treatment and all things is a special kind of to maintain this.
The carrying the live fishes is along with oxygen support, just like a ambulance vehicle. After that, we are carrying from one place to one place. We keep in quarantine.
And it is found in a rainforest, Amazon forest. We have imported and get it in this. It's not a saltwater fish; it's a normal water fish. And each cost 8 lakh rupees, more than 8 lakh rupees. In this tunnel, you are paying 50 lakh rupees. Only this tunnel, only from here to here.